or rejection rate higher than acceptance are result of manual intervention in CNC offset adjustment. Does component check often cause accidents? Is your quality of production being hampered? Have you been incurred by heavy cost of poor quality? Are you unable to meet the customer's expectation? It's time to ease up your CNC manual offset adjustment with automated offset correction provided by Lakshmi DigiPro Systems. Easy 4000 prevents these accidents and improve your production quality through simplified IoT connectivity with a state-of-the-art device called Easy Offset. Easy Offset can be connected to any type of CNC machines such as lathe, VMC, and HMC. Our plug-and-play device can connect to most modern machines through Ethernet or Wi-Fi and supports all major CNC controllers such as Fanuc, Mitsubishi, and Siemens. Easy Offset takes your production shop one step closer to Industry 4.0 and helps in improving production efficiency while also avoiding accidents and human errors at the same time. Operator checks the component in digital gauge and gauge passes the measurement to Easy Offset and correction values are corrected and updated to the CNC machines. Hence, rejection due to operator error is made zero using Easy Offset. Now, manage your CNC lathe production with minimal human intervention as Easy Offset corrects all the essential parameters of the offset automatically. And you enjoy greater speed, quality, and efficiency at lesser costs. Lakshmi DigiPro Systems.